We're out here on the ZR250 trail bike. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm having a blast ripping through these mountains on this dirt bike. It's making a weird sound, and the front tire's a little wobbly, but it'll last a few days. I'm gonna take this thing all across Dominican Republic, so stay tuned. We'll be back. Absolutely beautiful out here. There's some music going down there. Okay, so I'm headed to the skate park, which is a few hours inland in the Dominican Republic, but you get the sickest dirt bike. I've been riding for quite a few hours, and it's just so worth it. I couldn't be more impressed with Dominican Republic now. I may have given it some shit whenever I first got here because it's bad for spearfishing. It's just overfished by local fishermen, but this makes it worth it. So y'all are really gonna like the view here. There's not much wind because I'm on the other side of the mountains. That's just insane, right? So there's a skate park down in the flatlands here. Down there. That's where I was going, but I like the mountains. I like riding in the mountains so much. I don't know. I don't know what I should do. I guess we'll find out. Well, I just got pulled over by the cops for having no helmet. And then they were like, "Where's the license plate?" I rented this bike. I have no clue. So I'm getting further up in elevation, so I'm popping my ears. But man, isn't this beautiful? About to head through here. They got some waterfalls in one of these towns coming up, and I'm gonna go to that and see what that's all about. Get some breakfast, late lunch, or early lunch, late breakfast. So see y'all soon. So this is the waterfall place. So this is the waterfall place, and it seems like it costs money, and it's a big tourist attraction. I would love to go and do it. I'd love to go hike and see them, but I can't leave my bag behind, and I ain't lugging this heavy bag of mine with my skateboard attached to it all the way up the mountain. They've got like lockers and everything. See the lockers? So I'm not gonna go. I'm gonna go find some food in another town. So I found this nice little gas station and a restaurant right beside it that serves all kinds of alcohol, hot plates for lunch. Keep getting pulled over by the police because I don't have a helmet on. Just absolutely ripping through the mountains right now. Beautiful windy roads. So these roads stop being so nice about, I don't know how many kilometers ahead. about halfway from Puerto Plata to Luperon, it's not smooth like this. It's way worse. But that's why I got trail, so I can actually conquer today. I decided to take a little break. This is in between Puerto Plata and Luperon. They've got a little bit of traffic, y'all be careful. But if you run into this, you might want to stop. Because if you look back towards where you came from, Luperon area, you'll get this absolutely gorgeous view. That's just insane, right? I travel a lot faster on this road than all the vehicles because I'm on a dirt bike. We're a super sport bike, but that's just insane, y'all. So there's a mountain on the coastline over here. Maybe a little bit further. I won't make it back to Luperon today to be able to return the dirt bike. So I am going to sleep on a mountain up against the coastline. I checked the weather, it's supposed to be good. Once I get set up, I'll bring y'all back out and check out the setup, what I got going on. Should be fun. Stay outside for the night. Oh, look. What kind of ship is that? Y'all gotta, I don't know if y'all can see this on my site, but it looks like a giant sailboat. Looks like it's leaving Puerto Plata area, and it looks like it has multiple masses on it. Like 3 masses? I don't think it's a cruise ship. I know what they look like. Don't know. So I made it to this cool ass beach. On the water, my lights are on. I made it to this cool ass beach down in the mountains. And I thought it was going to cost me to get in here, but if you show up on a motorbike to all these places, they just let you go for free. They made all the cars pay, but not the motos. I think there's another beach because there's another trail that goes up and around these trees to the other side of just this. It's just amazing. Oh, look. And I just seen these guys on the road. How are y'all?
Hey, how's it going?
Where y'all from?
I'm from South Africa.
South Africa? Louisiana, America. Where you from?
I'm Vancouver.
Vancouver?
Yeah. We live in Cabaret.
Sweet. Yeah, I'm on a sailboat out in Luperon.
Ah, nice.
Yeah, so
See if I can make it up the steps.
well, there's a security guard, so watch yourself.
Security guard?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
He stays in the abandoned hotel. Epic journey with the locals. Wicked day out for a ride. Oh, it's blowy out here.
Right all the way along the coast, it looks like.
Good morning, everyone. They've got a sailboat out there and a cruise ship. So I decided that my campsite was going to be the old abandoned restaurant. So as you can see, I set myself up a good camp spot right at the entrance. Just drove right up, set up my hammock, and had a great night's sleep. It got cold, so I've got like my pants doubled with my shorts right now. About to get ready for another day of riding. little trail riding, bring y'all to some secret beaches. So wake up a little bit, maybe find some breakfast. Maybe I'll go down and get some avocado. Oh, I'm sunburnt. So as you can see, this is Luperon Bay, and my sailboat is way over there. It's that cream colored one. You see all the white ones and you see like a discolored one? That's mine. Love it. It's a great way to wake up in the morning. So I see some flats down there too, some sand flats. It looks like high tide floods. But I'm gonna rip down to Luperon. I'll go through the mountains, go through the trails. I'm gonna rip down to Luperon and get me a coffee. And then I'll start my voyage to the secret beaches out through the trails. So stay tuned. Should be fun. So from the top of the mountain onto the beach, I just rode down. Oh, it's a complete secret little beach. Check that out. Oh yeah, secret little beach. Oh, wicked. This is awesome. Looks like there's a cave over there too. Let's go check it out. Not really a cave, but absolutely beautiful. Look at how wicked. It's just a big sand flat. This is awesome. They've got like a fence over there. This is crazy. All right. You know, I was gonna go get coffee, but I lost my water bottle, so I had to go through the trails again to find it. I found it. But yeah, now I'm gonna try to go get coffee, but I keep getting caught up finding new things. This is awesome. Love this. There's a trail that actually goes through the center of it. So it's always common courtesy to lock these behind you. The cattle doesn't get out. Yeah. So this is how I get through to all kinds of stuff. Love this country. I just passed up the farmers too and they waved at me. It's like, sweet. Well, at it again, let's go. Just ran into some locals here at a little secret beach. Nice little area. You come through a trail like that, just absolutely amazing. Really nice reef right here. Real good rock wall. I don't know what he's digging for. Maybe gold. He's digging for gold. What? I just came from in there. Isn't this wild? Another gate. Another no problem. So, not only did I run into another secret beach, they have a restaurant at this one. And a little swing. It's absolutely beautiful. They have people camped out. Beautiful shoreline. Epic reef. People in the water. People camped out. Awesome. If you're gonna ride dirt bikes, this is how you do it. This is a journey of a lifetime right here, y'all. Just fly out to the Dominican Republic and just rip around on dirt bikes on the coastline. Rent one from Luperon for $10 a day and you'll have the time of your life. This is what I trail ride for. Spots like this. Underneath a nice tree. Overlooking just all the secret beaches. Sailboat out there. Y'all gotta check this out. Get y'all a bird's eye view. And then we're gonna bring in the zoom a little bit so y'all can see there's a sailboat way out there. On the Turo 250 trail, CR 250 trail, with a slick tire. We're underneath some trees right now. It's just absolute. Been just riding. Got the windmills in the back. Just been ripping through the countryside on cow trails. Off-road, like roads that they have out here that are just dirt and gravel. Yeah. So these are the kind of trails that I'm using to go everywhere. That's some roads, but a lot of trails. I just came through like a cow trail. Up here on this, like, I don't know if you'd call that a road, but good enough. So this is the kind of stuff bordering the coastline. This tire, it's hard down trails like this. Don't sleep on the goulash, y'all. It looks amazing. All fresh ingredients.